Welcome to the fascinating world of graphite, a mineral crucial to modern technology. Let's dive into its journey from Earth to industry. Graphite begins its life deep underground, where it is mined using cutting-edge techniques. Once extracted, it undergoes a rigorous refining process, transforming into high-purity graphite powder. This versatile powder plays a key role in everyday items and cutting-edge tech. From pencils to batteries, lubricants to brake linings, graphite powder is a silent hero in countless applications. Its remarkable properties make it indispensable in industries worldwide. Refined elements, where materials meet precision. Dive into a world of unparalleled quality with our premium graphite solutions. Stay ahead with our quick insights into the materials shaping industries worldwide. Refine your expectations and elevate your projects with refined elements. Experience the difference a company committed to excellence can make. Discover refined elements today.